And tonight we're celebrating David birthday on time. By the way, I'm Sir Benj Pacaligan, your host for tonight's celebration. But before we start our program for tonight, mga kapamilya, and people of this venue, can I make one request coming from all the house? Pwede po bang for the Guzman and Garcia family, pwede po bang bigyan muna natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan? Okay, guys, one more thing. Parang gutom na kayo sa palakpakan na yun. Talaga, yes. Okay, pwede bang isa pong request? I'll be counting 1, 2, 3. And palakpakan making some noise. Here, 1,